Prepositions play an important role in showing connections between things. Let's look at because of. Because of helps us explain why things happen. Imagine you're sitting in a cafe, sipping your favorite coffee. Why are you there? What led you to this moment? That's where because of can help. Because of is a phrase that tells us why something happens. It connects what happened to why it happened. Take the simple sentence, I am happy. This is the result. Now let's add why using because of. I am happy because of the good news. Here, the good news is the cause of your happiness. Because of usually comes before a noun, a pronoun, or a gerund. A gerund is the ing form of a verb. It turns a verb into a noun. Now, let's look at some examples. The event was cancelled because of the bad weather. She succeeded because of her hard work. The project finished on time because of everyone collaborating effectively. Be careful with word order. The preposition because of comes before the reason or cause. The company succeeded because of investing in new technologies. Here, investing in new technologies is the reason why the company is succeeding. Because of can be used to provide more information or details. For instance, he was successful at work because of his extensive training. Feel free to change your sentences when you want. You can start your sentences with because of, or you can place it within the sentence, as we've seen in our previous examples. Because of her hard work, she succeeded. She succeeded because of her hard work. He succeeded in the business world because of his strategic thinking and determination. Because of his strategic thinking and determination, he succeeded in the business world. Because of helps you show why things happen. It makes your conversations better by explaining the reasons for actions or results. Your English could improve because of this simple tool.